Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick but powerful tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create an image slider in WordPress, step by step, no coding, no confusion, and perfect for. If you've ever wanted to make your website look more professional or engaging with smooth, sliding images that grab attention, this video is for you. So stay with me till the end because by the time we're done, you'll have a fully functional, responsive slider ready to impress your visitors. All right, let's get started. First things first, why even use an image slider? Image sliders are a great way to showcase your best content, highlight products, portfolios, or blog posts, and make your website feel alive. They instantly improve your site's visual engagement and user experience. Now let's create one. Step 1. Log into your WordPress account. Go to wordpress.com and click on Login. If you're new to WordPress, just click Continue with Google. It's the quickest and most secure way to get started. No need to remember another password. Once you're logged in, you'll see your WordPress dashboard. Step 2. Access your site editor. In the Quick Links panel, click on Edit Site. This will open up the main WordPress editor where you can make all design changes to your website. Now, we're ready to add our image slider. Step 3. Insert the post carousel block. In the top corner of the editor, click the plus icon to add a new block. In the search bar, type post carousel. When it appears, click on it. And just like that, the carousel or slider block gets added to your page. Step 4. Customize your slider. This is the fun part. You can choose whether to display specific images or posts. Select your preferred images, adjust the order, and tweak the display settings to match your website's theme and vibe. You can modify the number of slides, transitions, captions, and more. Everything is super intuitive. If you want your slider to fit your site perfectly, preview it in both desktop and mobile views. This ensures it looks clean and responsive on all devices. Once you're happy with your design, step 5, save and publish your changes. Click Save in the top right corner and your new image slider is live. Now, go back to your site's homepage, refresh it, and you'll see your beautiful smooth image slider in action. And that's it. You just learned how to create a stunning responsive image slider in WordPress, the easy way. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more quick and practical WordPress guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, where we'll take your WordPress site to the next level.